Hey guys, finally I've got my Lyiazsoy car vacuum, and it has come with all this user manual guide, wonderful case that we can keep in our car, somewhere in a boot, or so it's a nice case in the quality. The product is very satisfying. It is much lighter, not much lighter, not much heavy. So and it looks like very much good in quality in terms of its function. It's very powerful. I couldn't imagine before buying. I was just thinking that it will be not that much in blowing or sucking the air, but it's really very powerful. Apart from that, it comes with cable that you can charge it. It's Type-C cable, and it's very powerful.